Are you frustrated with missing important notifications on Instagram? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, and it can hinder your ability to connect with friends and followers. In this video, we'll uncover why your Instagram notifications might not be coming through and provide effective solutions to fix the problem. First, let's explore some common reasons for this notification issue. It could be related to incorrect app settings, battery optimization features on your device, or even network connectivity problems. These factors can prevent important notifications from reaching you when you need them most. But don't worry, we have two effective solutions to get your notifications back on track. The first method involves checking your app settings to ensure notifications are enabled. We'll guide you through the process, step by step. If that doesn't resolve the issue, we'll take a more drastic approach, uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This method has been known to fix many notification problems for users like you.